And the message I want to talk to you about is look around yourself. Look around yourself, and if you start looking a little bit deeper than what you see, when you see things apparently, you'll realize that there are a lot of transformation stories that are happening around you. There are people who are picking themselves up from the dirt. There are people who are picking themselves from 100 feet below the ground. There are people who are picking themselves up when they're down and out, and they're fighting back. And they're fighting back in such a way that they're creating a story in their lives, a story of transformation, a story of growth, a story of complete change of who they are. And perhaps it's time for you to pick yourself up from where you are in whatever dimensions of your life. Maybe 99 of the 100 dimensions of your life are doing well, but that one dimension where you're not performing, that one dimension where you're not doing what is required to be done in that dimension. It could be your relationships, it could be your career, it could be your fitness, whatever. That one dimension, that two dimensions, those five dimensions on which you're underperforming. Pick yourself in those dimensions and start bringing the concepts of excellence there, and you will start seeing that gradually and actually much more faster than gradually, you start seeing that you'll start getting results in those dimensions also, which had kind of got stuck for you. So that's my message for today. The message is about picking yourself up from mediocrity and moving towards excellence in the dimensions in your life where you are executing mediocrity right now. Find those, go after them. You have to be after the mediocrity inside your head, inside your actions, inside your behavior, inside your beliefs, inside your habits, and you have to go after them like you go after insects and cockroaches in your house when you push them out. Right, so all the best, everybody. This is Arun Sharma signing off, and we are there on a journey, and I'm going to be there. My commitment to myself. So be there in the journey and benefit from the journey. Thank you so much. Bye bye.